Let's learn how to create side navigation bar and page view. Create a new Flutter project. Add app bar. Also create a navigation bar. Like this, we divide it into two portions. Body. Add a stack widget. Children. Add two positioned widgets. Container. Height. Take the 80% of the total height. Media query. Of context. Size. Height into 0.8. Width. Take 20% of the total width. Assign size to a variable, because it is still needed. Var size. Assign below the build context. Height. Size. Height. Width. Size. Width into 0.2. Color. Colors. Gray. Shade 300. Child will be added later. Create second. Page view is using here. Width 80%. Give a color for identify. Set position. First positioned. Left 0. Bottom 0. Second. Right 0. Bottom 0. OK. Remove the color. Create functions that return containers in positioned. Create a function. Left side navigator. Pass parameter size. Change it in function also. Size type size. Same. Page view function. Add page view function. Okay, it's working. Place to add item list here. Create a list of items. Let's create a class for that. Class item data. Label is string. It is required field. Create a list of item data. Add list items. It is items list. Mobile, fashion, electronics so. Then display it. For that we are using list view builder. List view.builder. Item count. That is the total count of item list. Items.length. Then item builder. Function. Parameter context. Index. Return a container. Item label is displaying inside that. Child. Center. Text. Items. Index of. Label. The label will be displayed from the list. List item displayed. Need space between items. Height 80. Reduced a little from the total height. OK. Then make it clickable. First, add a page view widget inside this page view function. Page view. The children. The page view children number should be the same as the number in the items list. Now let's add the text widget and actually include the page here. OK. Displayed all. Scroll direction is horizontal. We need vertical direction. Scroll direction. Axis.vertical. OK. Then make it clickable. Declare a page controller variable. Set controller for page view. Controller. Page controller. Add a gesture detector. On tap. Page controller.jump to page. Index. Yes, it is working. Then we need to change the color of the clicked button. Add a Boolean field in Item Details class. Bool is selected. Default value is false. Then create onPageChanged function in page view. Parameter value. That is page index. There are two things to do here. First, all elements in list should be set to false with a selected value. Use for in loop for that. Then set true for selected page index of item. The list item should be set to true at the selected page index. Do it inside set state. Items of value is selected. True. This color should place inside this container. Then check the condition is selected is true. If it is selected, color is white. Else, gray. Run app. Yes. Selected color is white. Let's do it now so that the default first one is selected. Copy the PageChanged function body. Then paste it in init state. Item index 0. It's working. Thank you for watching.